expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Hebrew ebook before it's gone.
יום, day. אתמול היה יום ההולדת שלי. Yesterday was my birthday. It wasn't really. שנה, year. השנה האחרונה הייתה מצוינת. The last year was wonderful. שעה, hour. שעה means hour, but when you want to know what time it is, you ask מה השעה, which literally translates as what hour is this? מה השעה? What time is it? צעיר, young. עכשיו אני בת 30, אבל פעם הייתי צעירה. Now I'm 30 years old, but once I was young. חדש, new. יש לי תספורת חדשה. I got a new haircut. ישן, old. You can't say it about old people. It's only about old objects, like an old car or an old book. אני אוהבת ריח של ספרים ישנים. I love the smell of old books. ארוך, long. אבטר היה ארוך מדי. Avatar was too long. איפה השירותים? Where's the bathroom? Memorize this one. איפה השירותים? Where's the bathroom? Excuse me. איפה השירותים? איפה אתה גר? Where do you live? איפה אתה גר? Where do you live? Or for female, איפה את גרה? מתי יום ההולדת שלך? When is your birthday? מתי יום ההולדת שלך? When is your birthday? For female, מתי יום ההולדת שלך? כמה זמן אתה לומד עברית? How long have you been studying Hebrew? כמה זמן אתה לומד עברית? How long have you been studying Hebrew? For female, כמה זמן את לומדת עברית? צהריים טובים. Good afternoon. צהריים טובים. Good afternoon. You can definitely say that, but you don't hear it that often. It literally means good noon. מה שמך? What's your name? For a male, it would be מה שמך. For a female, מה שמך? What is your name? You can also ask, איך קוראים לך? Which literally means how are you called? And this is the most common way to ask. נעים להכיר. Nice to meet you. Literally, I guess it would mean pleasant. It is pleasant to meet you. And you can say נעים להכיר אותך for a woman, or נעים להכיר אותך for a man. איפה? Where? איפה התחנה? Where is the station? איפה is very important. You should memorize this one. Bye. Ah, now I get it. It's so hot in here. Yes.